This 5-minute solution will show you how to lock any apps on iPhone. So if you want to lock any apps using your Face ID or Touch ID, just follow these simple solutions. First of all, you have to set up Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone, and then you have to install the shortcut app from App Store. So install it and open the shortcut app. Tap on automation. Tap on create personal automation. Scroll down and select app. Now tap on choose and select the app you want to lock. Tap on done and here select is opened. Tap on next. Tap on add action and tap on the search box at the top and type start time. Select start time. Tap on minutes and select seconds, and here select 1 second and tap on next. And disable ask before running. Don't ask. Tap on done. Now open your clock app. Tap on timer at the bottom right. Tap on when timer ends. Scroll down and select stop playing. Tap on set and that's it. And now if I open the specific app, as you can see, my screen has been successfully locked, and to use the locked app I have to unlock my screen and then I'll be able to use the app. So that's how we can lock any apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.